12 little stars. This poem is full of wonder about a sneezing elephant causing quite the thunder. In the heart of the jungle, where the tall trees sway, lived Ellie the elephant, who sneezed every day. With a ACHOO loud enough to shake the bright sky, she startled the parrots and made monkeys fly. Her friends tried to help with flowers and leaves, but nothing could stop her powerful sneeze. One day, a wise owl with feathers all neat gave Ellie a scarf to wrap around her feet. Now Ellie sneezes, but oh, what of you? With each mighty ACHOO comes a rainbow hue. If you like this